subscribe button. So today I have a PopSugar unboxing. So to give you a little information about the PopSugar box, it used to be a monthly box, but now is a quarterly box. It is $75 a quarter, and you can get it pay up front. We can get a little bit of a discount, and you have like 4 credits, so it's a year's worth, and you get a box, and they'll ship it to you quarterly. It's if you are doing the quarterly box, they have add-ons that you can do, which I did not do this time, and they have customizable boxes. Not extremely customizable, it's customizable, but they have like pick this or that. And then for the one thing that might be size oriented or scent oriented, they let you pick that. They give you options. So this box is one of my favorites. They do not sponsor me or anything like that. This is just my own subscription, my own review, my own unboxing. So without further ado, let's just jump on in. So the first thing I'd like to mention is the beautifulness, if that's a word, the beauty of this box. It's like a charcoal gray. It's got PopSugar here, and it says must have here, so it is PopSugar Must Have. There's a difference between PopSugar and PopSugar Must Have. What I love about this box is it's magnetic. The flap to open it. So this box, I do not throw it away. I keep it. I store stuff in them. And I don't know, I just love these boxes. They are great storage boxes. Or you can use them as gift boxes, like you have a gift and you want to pack it in there and then wrap it up. But I store stuff in it. I love that it's magnetic. So when you open it, so this is the box, and again, magnetic lid. You open it and it's pink inside. It says happiness delivered, PopSugar. The first thing you see is some tissue paper, a little PS sticker, and your little pamphlet that tells you what's in it. So instead of looking into it ahead of time, into the little pamphlet, I'm going to pull out an item and then find it in the book so we can talk about it. So let's just kind of start opening. So the first thing I see in here is a robe. It's Eber J. I could be probably pronouncing that completely incorrectly. But this robe is actually one that you had to pick your size, so everyone knew that we were getting a robe. Oh, hey, good ones. So the robe, I'll tell you a little bit about it. The robe. It's a wrap robe. Wrap yourself in a pretty pink robe that's perfect for a DIY spa day or lazy weekend. The ultra soft jersey feels luxurious and will keep you cool and comfortable behind the brand. It was founded by Ali Majay and Meryl Ravito with the intention of creating a lingerie brand with silky soft fabrics and feminine design. Their brand creates stylish loungewear without sacrificing comfort. Retail value is $88. And then they give some more information about their company and their best way to practice self-care. So here is the robe. I'm going to take it out of the package. It is really soft. Something in here smells wonderful. So it's a very thin jersey robe. is so soft, the material. Let's see. It is 100% rayon. And your washing instructions are hand wash and lay flat to dry. But it is a very nice robe, and it even has the ties on the inside and the tie on the outside, so it doesn't just fall open on you. I have a problem with that with one of my robes where it just falls open. And it has this little blue lining on the side. Let me see if I can fold it up nicely enough and kind of give you a close-up, which I probably should have done before I unwrapped it. So it's, it's pink with blue lining. The blue little accent there. I was super excited about this robe. When I saw it and you had to pick your size, I was very excited. So let's see the next item. Is a 3-in-1 portable razor. I never miss a spot again. The razor includes a water spray bottle, shea butter, shave bar, and 2 razor blades, making it the perfect multi-use product to take on the go. Throw it in your gym bag for a quick post-workout shave, or use it to pack light while you travel. Retail value is $14.99. And this is the razor. It's called Missed a Spot, Need a Touch-Up, Shave Anytime, Anywhere. So here's the razor. It gives you instructions on how to use it. Spray skin with refillable water bottle, lather skin with pre-shave bar, shave skin, rub in remaining lather. Use both thumbs to rotate the dial. Oh, it's even like a little resealable bag. It's got the little resealable. Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to clean and refill me. Huh. Okay. So, your little bitty spray bottle. A bar of soap that smells super clean. It smells super clean. Your razor. And then the second razor. So this is really neat. You don't even take it out. You just, well, I don't think you do. Anyway, let's try. Let's check. No, you just shave like that. That is really neat. I'm gonna have to use this when I travel. I'm going to the beach at the end of the month, so this will be a good thing to take with me. And this lid comes off. It just has a little piece of tape right here. I wanted to leave. I thought I'd leave it on so I don't lose the lid. But if you don't like the lid there and flipping around hitting your leg, it's just a little piece of tape on the back. So here's a close-up. The next item is called Sunday Riley. CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. Unveil the brighter complexion thanks to this vitamin C packed serum and superior formula contains ingredients like antioxidants and antioxidants to really reveal brighter, clearer, and less irritated skin. Science behind the brand. Sunday Riley selects the best ingredients and creates products with the latest tech, so you can see gorgeous skin results instantly. Retail value is $85. So that's this box. And the back, it comes off like this. Nice packaging. Very nice packaging. So let's go ahead and smell it, because you know nobody wants to have a stinky face. Okay. It smells kind of citrusy. Yeah, a little citrusy. Not like overpowering citrusy, just a little subtle citrus scent. It smells really good. I really like it. So we'll test that out, see how it goes. All right, next. Let's do beauty. Smart meets. Okay, it's Beauty by PopSugar. Beauty by PopSugar is made for everyone who believes smart is beautiful. Think thoughtfully, secured ingredients, good for you products, and an irresistible formula you can use to put together multiple looks. Created with inspiration and input from 100 million PopSugar beauty junkies. Beauty by PopSugar is made for your happiest, healthiest face. This is makeup that works hard and plays nice, so you look great. And it's some lip gloss. This one is called Time After Time. Be the Boss lip gloss. Comes in this. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, I like that it's got a stick. It's a little stick. So let's put some on. It has a really good sugary smell. A really good sugary smell. I mean, it's not like overpowering sugary, but it has a sugary smell. It smells really good. I like it. What do you think? Good color? Guess you can't really tell because I had some lipstick on already, but I think I like it. It's good. I'm not even going to put it back in the box. So the next one, oh, there's a little pamphlet here for beauty. It says tag us. The Beauty by PopSugar story. Okay. So they have a ton of products. Lots and lots of different products. And they want you to tag them. So when I post this, I'll use that tag. Next thing. Let's see. Here we go. Circle garland earrings, I believe is what I've got. Yes. Punch up your everyday uniform or embellish your most stylish outfit with these colorful statement earrings. Inspired by confetti and streamers, these on-trend earrings will instantly brighten your look. The natural stone material of the earring guarantees that no two are alike, making each one uniquely your own. How it's made. These gorgeous discs are made from a mix of genuine stone and connected by 4-carat gold-plated rings. Retail value is $98, sorry. So it's Lele Sandoa. I'm probably butchering all these names. pretty. Okay, here we go. So pretty. See how far down they dangle. So how do we like them? Too long, just right? What do you think? I kind of like them. I actually don't wear earrings very often. I think I have one other pair that I got from an unboxing. And I wear those occasionally, but they're rose gold, so they don't really go with a whole lot. But there. What do you think? Let me know. I'm gonna leave them on. Okay. The next item. This box just keeps on giving. Okay, let's do this one. This is two together. We've got Mrs. Mayers. We've got a lavender hand sanitizer. Keep your hands squeaky clean with your on the go. When you're on the go with a fresh scented hand sanitizer spritz. A few sprays on each hand to kill 99.9% of common germs. Fresh lavender, huh? So this is it. I just took the cap off. Let's see. It smells like lavender, but it smells like it's got a little spice to it too. For rinse-free hands, cleaning up, it removes up to 99.9% of bacteria. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. So the other thing that goes with this, from the same Mrs. Myers, is lemon verbena bar soap. This vegetable-based soap produces a creamy lather you'll love with hydrating olive oil. You'll enjoy it so much that you'll want to use this product from head to toe. This is the good smell that I could smell. So, Daily Bar Soap contains olive oil and coconut oil, 5.3 ounces, and it doesn't have what the retail value is on here. Neither of these do, but it smells good. So the next one is Ahmed tea from London. It's fruit and herb selections. Kick back and relax with this collection of fruit and herbal tea. The selection of tea bags comes in 4 varieties and is caffeine free and completely natural, so you can rest easy. Pick from peppermint and lemon, chamomile and lemongrass, detox, and lemon and ginger to suit your mood. Retail value is $4.50. So there's different teas to choose from. Nice. Can't really smell them from in there. So the next item, Propel watermelon powder. These convenient packets of sugar-free, 0-calorie Propel don't just taste great, they're also perfect for keeping you hydrated. When we sweat, it's important to rehydrate properly. This delicious watermelon flavor will help you replenish the fluids and essential electrolytes lost during your workout. They do not list the retail value. It comes with, excuse me, it comes with a card. And just, they say Propel yes. I guess they want you to hashtag them. I'll put that over there with that one. And here's the packet. There's 10 of them. nutritional value. Total fat 0, sodium 210 milligrams, carbs 0, sugars 0, protein 0. So it's a lot of salt, but nothing on it, like no carbs or anything. So I can drink these because I'm doing the keto diet right now, which is very low carbs. So I can drink these. Last item, very, very last item. You know, the monthly boxes used to have some sort of candy in them, like treats. And since I'm on a low carb diet, I really can't have those, but those were always my favorite. So it's a little container. That's the top, inside. So let's read about it. This is here we go. Concha, I think that's how you say it. Concha, right? Concha, I think. Round box. We partnered with Mela Artisan to produce this unique mother of pearl vanity box, created by a group of artisans in Sambalia, however you say it, sorry, India. Mela Artisan aims to help preserve the age-old craftsmanship and artisanal integrity of their handmade products. A portion of its earned revenue helps preserve traditions by building relationships and uplifting their community. Retail value is $60. So that is everything. Yep, everything. So we've got the little vanity box, some tea, some Propel water, some lip gloss, a bar of soap, some hand sanitizer, the rapid repair serum, the travel shave kit, the earrings, and the robe. So that's 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 items. And again, the box is $75 per quarter, or you get a discount if you purchase the whole year at one time. And that's it. That's all I have. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. If you made it all the way to the end, comment and let me know. Also, don't forget that hit that subscribe button